Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment where you need to locate an SVG element by using this local hyphen name XPath function in XPath expression. This concept of using local hyphen name function in XPath expressions for locating the SVG elements I've already explained in the previous session. If you have not referred to that video, refer to that session and come back with full knowledge so that you can solve this challenge as part of this assignment. Now, let me explain this challenge so that you can follow the exact instructions I am providing for solving this challenge as part of this assignment. So, how to solve this challenge as part of this assignment? For that, you need to open the browser and go to this website, that is selectorshub.com. And once you are gone to this website, you need to select this practice page option, or you can directly type this application page here, that is selectorshub.com/xpath-practice-page. You will directly land on this page. Now after going to this page, scroll down until you find this element. Okay, there's an element you see, there's a pencil kind of icon with a square kind of icon, right? This icon you need to locate. So when I inspect this, you can clearly see in the HTML code, it's an SVG element. Okay. First, you need to write the XPath expression, which uses the local hyphen name function in it for locating this SVG tag of this element. Okay. Then you need to write one more XPath expression, which again uses this local hyphen name XPath function in XPath expression for locating the child tag of this SVG tag. You see under the SVG tag, there is a child tag that is path. So you need to write one more XPath expression using that local hyphen name function to locate this path tag. First, you need to locate the SVG tag of the element. Second, you need to write another XPath expression with that function to locate this path, which is child tag of the SVG. Okay, that's the assignment. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.